Hi, I'm Blake Aldridge from Ziegler Cat. I'm the paving product specialist. Today we're back on the P195 Weiler Commercial Paver. We're going to talk about operator stuff on the dash. So with the dash, you have your key and your display. If we turn on the key, buttons will go through, do a quick check, then your display will come up. On the display, some key notes are in the middle here. You've got a button to turn on your spray hose, so that allows you to use your spray hoses to hose down the machine. Second, from the left, is to turn on your lights on and off. Then if you had grade controls, you'd have a power on and off there. Also of a note is right here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to have your hour tab amongst all your gauge type stuff. So moving up here to the top right corner, you got your emergency stop switch, so down puts it on, pulling it up resets it. Below that, you have this keypad. So with the keypad starting here in the top left corner, you have a selector switch for the console. Because this has one console, that button does not get used. Next to that, you got high, low, and medium gears for your speed. Next to that, you've got plus or up and down for high idle and low idle. Next to that, you have your parking brake. Below the parking brake, you have your pause switch. So once you're paving, you got your speed set, and instead of pulling the lever back, you can hit the pause. It'll slow you down, stop the machine. Then when you're ready to pull off again, you hit that button, takes you back to your speed. To the left of that, as previously said, we have the idle throttle down and up. To the next button over to the left, we have vibratory, showing a Screed symbol with the shaking signs. And to turn on the heat on the Screed, we have this generator button, or keg-looking barrel button symbol. So turn that on, that'll kick on the hydraulic generator to start heating your Screed. Moving over to the far left, this keypad is primarily all hopper features. So for left hopper, you have up and down. For right hopper, you have up and down. Then in the center, you have auto. So hitting auto will automatically bring the hoppers up or down once you engage that button. So moving down on the dash, we got a Propel lever. So to engage the lever, I've got to lift up on the detent, push it forward or push it back for forward reverse. Moving over this center keypad, on the left side and the right side, I have toe point up or down for left. The right side here, I have toe point up or down. Two middle buttons. Middle top one is going to be Screed lift. Center lower button for Screed is going to be Screed float. So you hit that button, Screed goes all the way to the ground to start getting into a paving mode. Coming over here to your left, this larger keypad. Of course, we got a horn symbol for horn. Below that, we've got a positive and negative. So right side and left. So what these are doing, are they're controlling the head of material to your sonic sensors. Along with that, as you're controlling the head of material, you have auger overrides. So this has an R on it, so you can reverse the augers on this one. So if something gets caught up, you can hit reverse, move the material around, or that board that gets caught, and get it out of the way. Above there, we have auto and override. So in auto, when I get set up to start paving, I'm going to fill the Screed by holding this button and overriding it to bring the material out. Then I'm going to put it in auto by pressing it. Same thing with the conveyor buttons up here. This particular one is going to control the conveyor and the auger as a combined unit. Next one over here is going to be conveyor only, auto or override. Then once again, with a little R on the button, you can reverse the conveyor on this one. You can also Hit the button quickly to make things manual, or if you hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, depending on what you're doing, you're getting in and out of auto feature. Moving here to the center, since you don't see a steering wheel, this is our steering wheel. So as you move it left or right, your paver is going to track to whatever direction you put it. To the left and right of that, we've got these buttons with these guide bars in the way, safety bars. So this is going to be right extension in and out, or left extension in and out. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to Ziegler Cat.